Yeah. This condo is a lot nicer than the other one. But leave it to my spoiled wife, she always finds fault. Right, Joy? You always find fault in things. What do you not like about this condo? Something about not well equipped.
Yeah, it doesn't have a cheese. Look at this pathetic cheese grater.
Okay. It's for super fine cheese.
I like a real cheese grater. That takes an hour just to grate cheese.
It's good looking cheese though. I mean, it's real fine, ready to cook.
And just not enough supplies.
Not enough supplies, but the sink, you like the sink, we cannot take that home.
It's a deep sink.
Anyway, she's cooking up some breakfast.
Just a picky person, I guess.
And
they got my
it's about this, you have your standards.
That's right.
Getting a little spoiled.
That's right.
We were out looking through the big glasses. They spotted some dolphin, about 7 of them.
Greg, need your help. I need to...
Good morning.
What's so good about it?
I like your attitude already. What do you need my help with? There's a California governor. I don't think he's governor anymore. He's retired. It's got a nice patio. There is Wi-Fi out here, but I thought it was good. It's not good. It's just enough to barely put post on. Anyway, tide is way out this morning, way out. Be back about 4 o'clock this afternoon. It'll be high tide. Be all the way up where the dark line meets the white line. Last night we could see lights way over. Matter of fact, I could see the mountains on the other side. A lot clearer today. Way out there on the Baja California side. Let's see. I wonder if I can pull them in. They're out there somewhere. It's hard to see them. But anyway, we're going to go to town today. Eat at El Capitan's, which is up on the lighthouse. Up on Rocky Point. They say they're pretty good if you get there before 3 o'clock. Get some good specials. Yeah, yes, it's on.
Where?
It's already on.
Talk about the microwave.
Oh, just a minute, I'll be in. They got a little RV park here. It's not that little, it's pretty big. Clean, but basic, but anyway. I do love to see a Cortez. I just wish the tide wasn't so dramatic. I like going out every morning and there's the ocean right there. This one's really noticeable. Anyway, we'll go get Jade dressed today and get a little bite to eat. But now I better go help her figure out how to use the microwave. But anyway, that's it.
There's not a warm button on here. Popcorn, beverage, reheat, potato, vegetable.
Trust me, Joy, there's a warm button on that microwave. It's just worded different than ours.
Power level. Add 30
Better go help
seconds,
Joy.
delay
She's starting to
start.
freak out a little bit here. Bye-bye.